Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you some easy steps for creating landing pages in WordPress using a plugin. Specifically, we're going to use the excellent WordPress Landing Pages plugin. For detailed steps on how to download and install a plugin, check out the link in the upper right corner of the screen. After you have installed and activated a plugin, you'll notice a couple of additions to your admin area menu. Namely, you'll now have a marketing button and two new menu items, landing pages being one of them. To add a new landing page, navigate to Landing Pages and click Add New. This will take you to a screen with all the available templates. Pick the template you wish to use by clicking the Select button underneath it. This will take you to the next step where you should type in the name of the landing page and click Create Landing Page. This will take you to an editor where you can modify your content. You'll notice the editor is split into different sections. There is a specific section for the main headline, top bar, logo, footer, and so on. You can also set the background color for the entire page or upload a background image. You also get custom CSS and JS fields in case you need those. Clicking on the marketing button allows you to build a button of your own or add a pre-existing one. After you're done adding your content, hit the Publish button. You can now preview your brand new landing page. Naturally, if needed, you can still customize it further. Additionally, you can click the Launch Visual Editor feature. This will lend you a unique perspective on the page building. You now have a divided screen view with editing options on the left and a live version of your landing page on the right side. The changes you make in the editor happen in real time on the right side of the screen. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.